Hi Earth Signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Welcome po sa ating channel. At ito ay inyong Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 2, 2023. Please be reminded that this is channel reading po. So maaari kayong makarelate o hindi. Just take what resonates. Gamitin ang reading na ito bilang gabay lamang. Balik po kayo dito bukas para sa ating Daily Gabay Tarot Reading for September 3, 2023. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button para updated po kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po. Spirit guides, ano po ang energy today ni Earth Signs? Wow. Nagkaroon ng granted yung manifestation nyo na inspired kayo sa inyong trabaho ngayon, sa inyong passion, sa paglinis ng bahay. So, nagkaroon ng adaptation sa isang new cycle. Nagkaroon kayo ng self-confidence. So, therefore, nag-inspired kayo sa inyong gawain ngayong araw na ito. Your manifest is granted. So, may parating na blessings. This is to remind you na this coming opportunity will be used for clear intention only. So, huwag gamitin ang opportunity na ito sa panalamang sa iba. And also, you are a very talented person. Lahat gagawin para makuha ang gusto. So, with the divine assistance, all things are possible. This card tells you na you can make your imagination real. So, you are very creative, Earth Signs. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon kayo ng stagnation today. Siguro sa sobrang pagod sa inyong gawain. So, hinahinay lang one step at a time. Matatapos din ito. Let's see the advice from Spirit Guides ngayong September 2, 2023. Embracing enthusiasm. Shout to the heavens with happiness. Passion and pleasure. Savor your life. So this is the confirmation that you are receiving a blessings from the universe. Nagkaroon ng granted yung manifestation mo. It may be matagal mo na itong minamanifest. This is also confirmation from your hard work for your passion. Nagkaroon ng passion and pleasure. So, enjoy it. Let's see your money and career, Earth Signs. This is a reverse card. Nagkaroon ng loss of faith. Nawalan ka ng pag-asa sa buhay, karera at kaperahan mo. Nagkaroon ng disconnection from the source. For source of income, it may be source of income. Nagkaroon kayo ng disappointment or doubt. You have a lack of confidence. Madali kang mag-give up sa isang sitwasyon or problema sa problema sa kabuhay, karera at kaperahan. Nagkaroon ng blockages. So, this card tells you na the inspiration is on the way. So, don't give up. Your body and soul will heal, but the healing will take time. The advice is be inspired. Dreams do come true. So, this is defensiveness. Nagkaroon ng paninindigan. May ganap na negosyasyon for a raise ng allowance, sweldo o kontrata. Yes, magkaroon ka ng successful agreement. Challenges may arise in your career, pero temporary lang ito. Kaya kailangan mong pagdaanan para sa journey mo. Nang magkaroon kayo ng lesson sa journey mo. So, you need to experience this struggle or challenges from your work or sa buhay pinansyal. Let's see your love and romance, Earth Signs. Nagkaroon ng fast action or mabilis ang pag-uusap or may manliligaw ka na very charming at passionate partner na very active na suyuin ka. This manliligaw is bata pa sa inyo. and your relationship are moving extremely fast. Pero try nyo muna mag-enjoy ng moment without getting too carried away. One step at a time. Hinay-hinay lang po. Ilan sa inyo na magkakatagpo ng bago while traveling? This card is you have emotional stability or empathy sa iyong kapwa or sa iyong kaibigan. Blessed ka kasi stable na yung kapareha mo at emotional intelligent, marunong magbalanse sa kanyang emotion. Guarded din, pero once nakuha mo na ang loob mo, there is a wonderful potential for deep love. Iparamdam mo sa kanya na may malasakit ka at supportive ka sa inyong relasyon. What's the love advice for earth signs ngayong September 2? Forgiveness. Forgive yourself, forgive your partner, or forgive your ex. Stop focusing your energy on past events. So, this card advise you to move on, to let go the past, for life is too precious to waste. You create your reality by what you think, dream, and imagine. So, what's the advice pa po? Virgo, happy birthday. May upload po tayo sa channel natin na Virgo birthday reading. So, scan nyo lang po. Na-upload ko ito for siguro mga 3 days. Last 3 days. So, view nyo lang po. Your commitment is being tested. So, you are tested sa iyong commitment sa inyong trabaho at sa buhay romansa. Message from Archangel Faith. With faith, you are invisible. Believe in yourself. That is your reading today, Earth Signs. Balik po kayo dito bukas sa September 3 reading natin. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell button for notification para po updated kayo sa daily tarot reading natin. Maraming salamat po.